out here, fam? We're back, earning and burning, snapping necks and cashing checks. Follow us as we thrift, pick, sift, and barter. Don't forget to follow us and subscribe. Our shop link's in the description. And if you want to see our grail of a find today, scroll to the end. Now let's go! This weekend we hit estate sales, garage sales, and flea markets. If you're in LA local, we'll be at the Rose Bowl February 13th, and you can see some of these goodies.
Oh, these are different.
Look at these birds.
Oh, so that's for the
like
They're $10.
This one's for
Oshkosh.
That's a
Your size?
keep a couple of them.
Are there any chairs?
You have two of those.
Interesting.
Yeah.
I get them. They're cool. They're different.
What's the best you can do on this one?
yeah, $10.
What is it? The old Raver ones?
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe. See what they want for $2 to $3 tops.
Three?
Three.
Two? Maybe.
I guess the realtor doesn't want it here.
He knows that I've always wanted one. So how much are you asking for it?
I think my brother said $50.
50 bucks.
It's a very,
You know, because we have an apartment, so you know, like
it's, I
would be
was surprised. I was surprised that it was,
it's hard to pass on these because each of these pieces right here are about 200 bucks a piece, give or take. But we don't got the storage.
The prized possession. Oh yeah.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
From here forward, yeah. Name your own price, just whatever you think is fair.
All right.
They're doing it.
Yeah.
Here. Antiques.
What is this? Oh, how cute. Very nice. This is a Bentwood. $25. That's not bad at all.
It's not gonna fit though.
What is in the back seat?
It's not gonna fit. You don't understand.
Oh, I do understand. I think we can make it fit. Because if we lay it this way.
Then how are we gonna get this to the door? It's not gonna fit, man. The seat is high.
Look at the baby couch.
I don't care about the big couch.
Oh, they got a cricket here. ¿Y este?
Ese. Dame 10, dame 10 ese. Este cable desde ahí.
Mom, how much are they? Oh, $2.
And your book?
in your book? Your book?
First edition, you know.
Oh, you know what? That's going to be real expensive for you. No, I'm just kidding. The book, how much should we sell the book for?
$5.
No, you know what? $2.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
Sounds good.
Yeah, there's books right there. There's books in that bin. I don't know if you guys want to look.
Cool, I was looking through the
There's like a
books
lot of
over there.
romantic books.
I see.
And get romantic.
The Twilight series. On the boots right here? Your snow boots? Look them up, yeah? DC snow boots.
Yeah, me too.
Cops?
Yeah? In case you...
Hell yeah.
Yeah. Oh, the show cops?
Mm-hmm.
Right on. Nice shirt. Oh.
What is it on?
Check it out. ¿Cuánto está la ropa? ¿La chaqueta? 5? I think.
Cool.
Yeah. That's it looks legit. You know, the tag looks legit. High five.
Look, they got the classic and a Nintendo.
Where? Ah.
How much are those? Yeah. $2.50 for both. $2.50 for both?
Okay.
Cool.
Cool. Thank you.
You got for about $100.
Each? Okay. I'm sorry? Oh, yeah. Oh, I got a few of them too.
Yeah, they do.
Oh, that's a cool one.
And your hat?
$1 each? Sure, get a few. Get some of the Circus Circus. I just want that. I turned it around. How much is this one? $5. I'll take it.
Should have brought our bag.
It's alright. I got room in here.
What are you asking on your Commanders?
But so how much are you asking for it?
What was your offer?
That's probably more out of our shopping range. For straight tripping. How much are you asking on him?
He's 10.
10?
Brother,
Hey!
You got it.
Hello, how are
we're
you?
on location.
What's up?
Nice. Oh, that's a...
What's up? Nice. How much are they?
$5.
Okay. That's
that
some
one.
more. Nice. Nice fabric too.
Please.
For sure. How's it been? Okay, so we were interested in the hats, but we kind of wanted to see if you're in the same like mindset as far as like price wise. So what were you thinking for the whole bin?
I was thinking 80.
80?
Yeah.
Can we see them?
Yeah.
All right, cool. Thank you. Yeah. Hey, look at this one, love. Gold mine, not too shabby. Hi guys, so we're gonna have a recap of the hats that we picked up. Like we said previously in the video, $80 for 80 plus hats. Totaled them all up and it came out to about 97 hats in total with the cycling caps. And they vary in theme from basketball to college football to Disney to Coca-Cola to skiing. A little bit of everything, so we're gonna run through them and see what we got. So we're gonna start off, we have Lakers, Celtics, Suns, Rockets, Bucks, Huskies, Cougars. We got it back for more sports specialties. The rest of these are on California headwear. And we cleaned these guys, we checked them out, so we're sending them to you in nice condition. So we got the classic blue Dodgers, 2 of them. Then we got the classic Angels, another Dodgers, 80s tags all day. Coca Zip, bright, vibrant red. Seattle Seahawks, New York Yankees, Mariners. And come over here, we got 2 USC, 1 embroidered, 1 not. They're all on classic 80s tags. Boom, Anco, New Era, NFL sports specialties. So for our Disney fans, we got 2 Mickeys, 1 baseball-themed slugger, another Coca-Cola classic red, 2 Marlboro racing teams with that terry cloth band, and a Speedo in that 80s color block. For you snowbirds, we got a nice little variety for you. A couple corduroy, a couple not. And then this Star Trek all-over print cap. For cyclists out there, or those who don't want to mess up your do and want to sport a visor, we got you covered. From Trojans to Huskies to Coca-Cola to Coors, check out this nice Coca-Cola visor right there and our stack of bike caps. Then we have $10 hats for days. We got something for everybody. Ski hats, Hawaii hats, ABC, circus, corduroy, trucker hats. Whatever you need. Got some Disney popped up in there too. You having a lot of bad hair days lately? Swoop these babies up. You looking fresh? And you're getting a steal. And finally, we've got the Budweiser Clydesdales, Caesar's Palace Grand Prix, missing the top but still a great hat. Light Ice, Coors Light, this is a fitted cap. Then we got the Show Cops, we're keeping the second one. UPS trucker hat, and then this Newsboy Dodger cap, which I'm a big fan of, never seen it before. And then a New Kids on the Block 1990 Hangin' Tough neon pink. Boom. We are big children, looking for stuff from our childhood. Do we know what we're gonna get? No, but we're having fun. Will it be trash or will it be treasure? It doesn't matter, 'cause we're together on A&J Adventures. Digging through this, that, and whatever. Isn't it funny that Granny's funky sweaters were worth some serious money? If you don't like this song, we don't care, 'cause it's a theme song with some flair.